Good morning. Today we will discuss some changes that occur in our surroundings involving one or more substances. Can you name 10 such changes that you found around you? I am giving some examples. Tearing a paper into pieces, souring of milk, breaking of glass, burning of papers, breaking of a chalk into pieces, preparing sugar solution, mixing of water into milk, ripening of fruits, cooking of rice, making of wheat flour from wheat grains, inflating a balloon, etc. Can you now classify these changes into different types? Yes, we can classify. Amongst them, some cases like tearing a paper, inflating a balloon, no new substance is produced. So, they are known as physical changes. In some changes like cooking of rice, burning of paper, new substances are produced. So, they are called as chemical changes. Now, let us further understand more about these changes by performing some activities. First, let us take a paper. Let us cut this paper into pieces. I have cut into 2 pieces, then let us cut into 4 pieces. We have got 4 pieces from the single paper. Now let us take one such piece and for that make 4 small pieces. So, we got how many pieces? We got 7 such pieces. Now, let us take these pieces and try to join them. Okay. Are we able to get the original paper? Certainly no. Though we have made into pieces, by joining them we cannot get the original paper because here the shape of the substance changed. This is a change. Here, do you think that a new substance is produced? No. So, this is a change where no new substance is formed. Let us perform another activity. Very simple activity. Collect some chalk powder or bring a chalk and cross it into pieces and collect such powders. Take it in a beaker, add some water to it, mix it properly to make a paste. Then take out that paste and roll it to give the original shape of the chalk. Keep it outside for some time and let it to dry. Did you recover the chalk from the dust? Yes. So, that is also a change where we got the original substance. Now, let us discuss another activity, melting of ice. You all might have seen ice, must have used ice. Okay. Now, collect some ice cubes in a beaker, keep it under the sun for a while. What will you observe? We will observe that the ice will start to melt gradually, and after some time we will get a mixture of ice and water. Again, take that beaker and keep in a freezing mixture containing some ice and common salt. What will you observe? You will observe that the mixture of ice and water will again start to freeze and form solid ice. So, this is what kind of change? This is also a kind of physical change because here the change is reversed and no new substance is produced. Now, let us go to another activity. You might have seen in houses boiling of water. No? When water is heated in a container, after some time what will happen? Steam will start to rise. To those rising steam, if you keep a plate, what will you observe? This is a very common thing. The steam after striking the plate will start to condense and will form water droplets. So, here what happens? This is also a change. Here liquid water changes into steam and that steam again condensed to get water. So, we have discussed 4 activities. In the first 2 activities, first activity is cutting a paper into pieces. There what change you observe? There the shape of the paper is changed. Similarly, in the case of second activity where we have taken some chalk powder, made a paste of it, then you have tried to give the original shape of the chalk again. There also the shape of the substance changes. First and second activity involves change in shape of the substance. In the third activity, melting of ice, what do you observe? There the state of the substance changes. State matlab physical state. Ice was in solid state. After heating, it changes into liquid state. Then in the fourth activity also, we took liquid water and heated it. What happened there? The liquid state of the substance changed into gaseous state. So, activity 3 and 4 involve change in state of the substance. Also, we can perform other activities involving other changes in properties, like collect a piece of hawk saw blade, used hawk saw blade, hold it in a pair of tongs. Pair of tongs you might have seen, this is a pair of tongs. So, collect a used hawk saw blade, hold it in a pair of tongs, then you have to heat it in a burner. What you will observe? After heating for some time, gradually the color of the blade will change. Can you guess what would be the color of the blade? It would be slowly changing to reddish color. Then after a while, take out the blade and cool it. Will you observe any change in color? Yes. After cooling, the color will again change to the original color. Okay. So, in the last activity, what you have done? After heating a substance, its color changes. So, all these activities what we have performed or discussed, first is cutting a paper into pieces, second is making a paste of chalk powder and try to get back the original chalk, third is melting of ice, fourth is change of water into steam by heating, fifth one is heating of a blade. In all these changes, we observe some change in properties, and these are all physical properties like change in shape, change in state or change in color. All these are called physical changes. Now, can you define a physical change? Physical change is a change in which a substance undergoes a change in physical properties like change in color, change in texture, change in shape, change in physical state, but no new substance is formed in a physical change. Thank you.